Hi, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Comica Lavalier microphone. The model number of this is the CVM-V01GP. So this is the GoPro model, and as you can see on the back here you get a GoPro adapter, and the microphone has a 3.5mm jack on it. Here are the specifications. I will put a link in the description to this microphone just in case you're interested. So the things you get in the box are, you get this Comica branded bag to store it in when not in use. You also get this GoPro adapter. Also in the box is this furry wind muff for when you're outdoors. And also the microphone here. And as you can see, it has the 3.5mm audio jack, so that means we can adapt this to most audio recording devices. The cable on it is 1.2 meters long. It is a silicone type cable, so it is quite flexible and should hopefully be quite durable as well. The base of the microphone has a small rubber grommet, so that should add some strain relief to the cable for durability. The body of the microphone is all metal. The tie clip is all metal as well, apart from the little holder which holds the microphone. That is actually made out of plastic as far as I can see. Also it comes with this little muff here as well to put on the microphone. So I'm now going to plug this in. I'm going to be plugging it into my iPhone SE, and I'm going to be using this adapter here for a phone. So this end goes into the phone, and then we have a microphone input on this side and a headphone output on that side. You can buy these for most smartphones nowadays. I will put a link in the description to it. This was approximately £1.50, so they're really cheap. So the audio you hear next will be from the Lavalier microphone. So the audio you hear now is coming from the Comica Lavalier microphone. Hopefully you should be able to hear with this microphone the sound is a lot better quality. So now I'll switch back to the internal microphone on the iPhone. So now we're back to the internal microphone on the iPhone. So hopefully you should be able to tell the difference in the audio quality. So now we're back to the Comica Lavalier microphone, and I just reviewed the previous video clip and I can definitely tell that the audio quality is a lot better than the internal microphone. It sounds a lot warmer, clearer, with less background noise and less hiss. So overall I'm pretty impressed with this microphone. It definitely sounds really good, and for the money that I paid for it, it was $13.99. I'm pretty pleased with it. So I'd really like to know what you think of this microphone and what it sounds like. So if you'd like to leave a comment in the comment section down below, be greatly appreciated. Also I will put a link in the description to this microphone just in case anybody's interested, and if this video was helpful in any way or you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also please subscribe, because I'll be coming out with some more videos in the future. I'd just like to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, so please subscribe and hit that bell icon. That means the next time when I upload you will get a notification of it.